Why aren't I enough? Good question, huh? Why do you always feel like you're a failure? Why do I keep blaming myself, thinking if I had enough willpower, if I did this, if I did that? Uh, and it's always about us, right? But I'm here to tell you, you're not a failure. It's your nervous system dysregulation. So let's see. Do you really love yourself? Let's talk about why this is happening to you. So, uh, when you were little, right? We had just talked about the last videos, all the 6 attachment wounds, right? So if you weren't held in those secure attachments, go back and watch the videos and you didn't get your needs met. Your nervous system always felt that it was in fear of survival and you weren't getting the attention and love and understanding and your needs were met. So this little person's nervous system grows up and says, I'm not loved, I'm not cared for, the world is not safe. Holy crap, right? But if you got all those wonderful attachment needs met, or most of them, 80%, we're we're only human, right? We don't have to have 100%, but we have to have enough. We have to have someone there. We get alone in our pain, and that's trauma. But if that person had all those needs, it goes out. This nervous system. The world is safe. I'm loved. I'm wonderful. I've got this handled, right? It's full of security and esteem and confidence and the self-worth that, gee, I'm not enough. Nobody ever really likes me, cares for me, right? So that is what's holding you back. That it's not about willpower. Willpower only works for a little while, and you can count on some willpower. But when our nervous system isn't at its full resilience and capacity because the ventral vagal part did not get grown and matured, it needs a provider, it needs a caregiver to build this wonderful nervous system, just like your brain. You aren't born with a brain that's mature. It takes 25 years. It takes about 17 years for your ventral vagal to mature, needing a caregiver. Because guess what? Your little nervous system is so immature, you have no ventral vagal and you have no capacity to soothe yourself at all. Nothing. So, why would I be anxious and stressed and think the world's out to get me? And why would I be living in this? Because this is what the nervous system learned. It was never held safe, could drop down, drop the guard, feel good. Did you slump over your parent and know I can let everything go because I am totally held and totally safe? And that is the kind of nervous system we want to build. And you can do it too. And you can make friends with it and love yourself. And so just know that you have everything it takes. You just have to do it. You have to do the work that you missed out on and build that wonderful capacity to really thrive and be enough and to fully and unconditionally love yourself. So check us out. Making Friends with Forgiveness, the art of letting go. And I'll leave more down in that notes, okay? And please stop by Sharon LaFlamme from Creating Serenity Now. Check out everything. There's so many tools here. Send them to your friends and stay tuned because there's more to come. Namaste.